too many people. Hi guys, today is Tuesday, July 13th, 2021. It is 3:30 in the afternoon and a hot, sticky, humid kind of day. So in order to beat the heat this time was, yes, I came back to Beauharnois. Yeah, this is the only thing I could think of today because it was so hot and humid that I was sweating so bad that beads of sweat were rolling right into my eyeballs. And oh, if you've never had sweat in your eyeballs, let me tell you, it burns. It feels like battery acid has been thrown at them. Okay, maybe not that bad, but oh, it burns really bad. So yeah, I went and I splashed off my face when I was picking up some potable water in Valleyfield. It's where I got my local corn. It's I don't know if it's from a local farmer, but it was from like a veggie stand kind of thing. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna eat that. That's the way I basically eat as well. I basically just pick all day long. I just eat anywhere like from 10 to 15 times a day. I don't cook big meals. I don't believe in breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I believe that my body knows when I'm hungry, and so I eat. And I try to get a balanced diet throughout my day. I get all my good carbs, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and beans, and my dairy as well. I'm just not so much of a meat eater, but that's why I eat a lot of beans and legumes and other things like hemp seeds, like hemp hearts, I should say. And just other things have got lots of protein in them. And if I feel like I don't get that in my diet, then let me in here, this here, let me show you. This is my supplement drawer, you know, where I take, this is biotin. I got flaxseed oil, vitamin C, collagen, calcium, vitamin D. Anyways, you get it. Just a bunch of other things like that if I feel that I'm not getting the right amount into my daily diet. Oh, and I'm just cooking up some corn on the cob. Corn #1 with some organic butter, some fresh crushed black pepper, and some pink Himalayan salt. Still have these sitting in the water. My goodness. So crunchy, juicy and sweet. When I was breaking them in half, good thing I had my glasses on because like juice squirted everywhere, all over the seats, my mirror, my face, my glasses. It would have been in my eyeballs if I didn't have the glasses on. I'm on corn #2. Well, the first half of the second corn. So good. Okay, so it's starting to rain here. I've got my little mini solar 28-watt solar panel up on the roof, so I got to get that off. But first I got to clean my hands, and look at this idea. I'm going to clean them right in the warm corn water. When you live in a van, water is like liquid gold, so you got to utilize it all. There we go. Voila. Okay, it's 5:30. I got the spot that I've been wanting forever, but the only thing is it's going to be raining off and on for the next day or 2 or 3, and look at how windy it is. Woo! So, but it's a cute location. Good thing is the by the time the sun sets, another few hours, hopefully the clouds might be gone and it might be a beautiful sunset. We'll see. But yeah, this is sweet little location. I'll show you it later on, maybe tomorrow. Oh yeah, and the breeze feels so cool. I'm so happy that I decided to come here. I was in Valleyfield for a day or two because I had to edit videos and I needed a Wi-Fi, and it was one day it was no sun, so I had to go inside a McDonald's there and use their electricity. But again, they've got the $1 coffee promotion going on, so it's like woohoo. Yeah, and the other day I sat in a park in Valleyfield and it was sunny out yesterday, so I was able to use the sun to get solar power, and that's how I edited and uploaded my video yesterday. And yeah, I am getting a little hungry already. It's been a couple hours since I ate those corn on the cobs, and now I'm getting a little hungry again. I tried going out there and walking around so I can show you guys a little bit around the area better, but it's so windy and it's also cold. It actually gives me goosebumps when I go out there. So yeah, we'll see what it's like tomorrow. But I decided to eat this on some rye Melba toast. And I don't usually eat mayonnaise, but I'm craving, I just got this little package of mayonnaise from McDonald's. So that's what I'm going to have for another snack. So this is all I do. Grab this little package of mayonnaise, put a little bit of mayonnaise on there. A little bit of tuna. I leave a lot of the olive oil in there because I like how moist it stays with the olive oil, and olive oil is good for you anyways. That broke, but then I put a little bit of cracked black pepper, some of this salt substitute, and bam! That's another little snack that I like to eat. Fast and delicious. Yep, just a big whole plate of green beans with a little bit of organic butter, some Himalayan salt and pepper, and a little spritz of vinegar. Yum, yum. So it's like 5 to 7. I managed to get like a little fire going. I only put this already burnt crap pressed wood on top to, you know, stop the rain from getting my fire. Because yeah, that's exactly it. As soon as I got it going, well, bam, there comes the rain. So I think I got enough of a fire to make enough hot coals. And oops, I've decided to put a couple of sweet potatoes in the fire. Ooh, look at that. I might have just enough tin foil. Woo! So I got these two wrapped up, and look it, I'm just going to try and throw it in here somewhere. There. And let me open this up here for a second. I'm just going to throw it right in there. See, there we go. I don't even care if it burns or anything too much. I'm just going to let it sit there. Listen. Yeah, so even if the rain puts out the fire and my potatoes don't cook all the way, I don't care. It's only 2 little sweet potatoes. If the groundhog gets at it before I do, oh well, he probably wants it or needs it more than I do. But anyways, I'm just gonna put them there and see what happens. I don't care if they get cooked. Perfect. If not, oh well. But even though I can't sit outside by the fire, it's okay. I just moved the red stool in front of the door there where I can still see the fire and sit in the van and listen to this. Oh, that's awesome. Look, I'm gonna let you have a look outside. Here's the stool. I'm listening to some CDs when it's not raining, listening to the rain instead of that though. But there's my fire. I could move back if I wanted to so that I can see it better, but I just don't feel like it. I want to stay right in front here so that nobody can pull in. Looks like I'm going to be able to see a sunset tonight. How exciting is this? Fire, sunset. Wow, this is a happy camper. Look at that, it's breaking through the clouds. There's no more clouds underneath. The sun's lowering. Woohoo! Look at the beautiful reflection on the water. It's just awesome. I gotta hurry up and make a tea. So I made my tea and I went and looked at the potatoes, flipped them, and that was like maybe 12-15 minutes. Come back to look at the sunset. Bam! Woohoo! And it's 8 o'clock, so it doesn't look like there's gonna be a sunset. Sure they're done. I'm gonna take them out. It's really windy, but yeah, look how big the fire is. The potatoes are probably over.